Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to set up one of the hottest tools many IT professionals use every single day. And if you guessed ChatGPT, you're absolutely right. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up ChatGPT directly inside your Linux terminal. This video is split into two parts. In the first part, we're going to generate an API key from your ChatGPT account. An API key is basically like a password, but not the kind you type in as a person. It's a password for programs. Think of it this way. Humans log into websites, but scripts and terminals use API keys. That's why you never actually log into ChatGPT from the terminal. There's no username or password. In the second part, we'll move over to the Linux server and do everything locally. We'll configure the environment, store the key securely, and start sending prompts straight from the terminal. By the end of this, you'll be able to talk to AI from your shell, just like any other Linux command. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, so make sure you stick around. For this demo, I'll be using AlmaLinux 10 server version. Let's get started. First, head over to the OpenAI website at chatgpt.com. Log in here with your Gmail or Apple account or Microsoft account. I'll log in with my Gmail account. Once you are logged in, you need to go to the OpenAI developer dashboard. You can do that by visiting platform.openai.com. Now let's continue with my same account. Okay, looks like I'm logged in now. ChatGPT.com and platform.openai.com are two different websites, but they share the same OpenAI account. ChatGPT is the chat interface, while the platform site is where you manage APIs and projects. You sign in once to your OpenAI account, then use the platform site to create a project and generate an API key. Go to projects. Let's create a new project here. Let's create a new project and let's give project name as ChatGPT project. Create it. Once you have created, yes, go to your project and let's create an API key. Make sure that you're in the right project. Now create a new secret key. This is ChatGPT test. The project is ChatGPT project. Okay. Now create a secret key. This is my secret key. Once you generate your API key, make sure you store it somewhere safe. Treat it like a password because that's exactly what it is. Let me copy it. Done. Now we have finished the first part. Let's jump over to the second part. We're going to configure ChatGPT on this server. First things first, we need to make sure Python and pip are installed. DNF installed, Python 3, Python 3, pip. Let's install it. Okay. Now let's upgrade it. Let's upgrade pip. Good. Next, let's install OpenAI. Alright. The next part is to set your API key. We need to set the OpenAPI key as an environment variable. To do that, edit -rc file, go to the end of the file and type export OpenAI underscore API key is equal to let's paste here the API key which we generated in the previous step. Looks good. And let's not forget to reload this. Okay. The next step is to create a Python file. We'll name it chatgpt.py. Copy this script. For this demo purpose, I've chosen GPT 4.1 mini model. You may change this model as per your choice. Let's just check it again. If I've missed anything. Yes, Python 3. Okay, looks good. Let's make it executable. Alright. Here comes the hero of the show. Let's check if it works or not. Let's ask NAS versus SAN TLDR. So cool, amazing. Looks good. Now, I do not want to type this every time I want to ask ChatGPT, so let me edit this again and go to the end of the line and make use of this. For this demo, we'll use AI as the name, and the file is chatgpt.py. What it means is, instead of typing this chatgpt.py and ask AI, you can just use AI command as you would type any Linux command. So let's try it again. AI. Oh, don't forget to load it. Now it should work. Yes, everything's working fine as expected. Alright, that's it. And just like that, ChatGPT running directly in your Linux terminal. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, share it with anyone who might find it useful, and stay tuned for more Linux and server related content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.